You're watching another Supercharged Masterclass with Jordan Samuel Fleming. Your opportunity to learn the ins and outs of Podio design and development from one of the top Podio partners in the world.
Hey everybody, it's Jordan Fleming here with another Supercharged Masterclass. Now, today I want to talk a bit about batch jobs. If you're wondering what the hell that is, I will show you in Podio in just a sec. But essentially, batch jobs are a way of Podio queuing up larger things like deletion of a large amount of items or exporting and importing Excel spreadsheets in and out of Podio. If you are doing quite a large amount of data, you're uploading, a sheet with 15,000 lines of rows of Excel, Podio has to essentially queue that out. It can't just upload it all in a slot because there could be loads of hundreds, thousands of other people doing the same thing at the same time. It needs to spread the load across the whole system, which means they create a queue for it. It means that uploading a 20,000 row spreadsheet could take 45 minutes. But that's the price you pay when you're dealing with a system which millions and millions of people use every day. And it's actually a very smart thing for Podio to do. It means that by queuing it out, nobody can overrun their resource and they can kind of spread the power across everybody. So we're going to dive into that and explain a bit inside of Podio where to find the batch jobs and what they mean. And I'll do a quick, very small one for you in that video. Let's hop into Podio. Okay, so we're in Podio now. First step is to know where to find batch leads. To find batch leads, you simply go up here, click for the drop-down menu, and you'll see there's batch jobs right there. And right now I have no batch jobs. So there's nothing I've tried to import or export into Podio. I'm going to go ahead and quickly go to this app I have for cold calling, and I'm going to do a quick Excel import. Choose File. Hey, are you using Podio to manage your real estate investment business? Wait! Click the link to find out why thousands of real estate investment professionals are using Podio Plus smartphone to make more calls, send more text, and close more deals. Click the link. And there's not many leads in here, but I'll just choose a quick file and I'll map the basic fields. If you've never done this before, very, 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 very important thing to understand. So I'll go ahead and I will full name, first name, last name. I'll do a quick phone number, mobile, and I'll do a quick address. I'm not going to do a huge amount of work here. Address, postal code, city, state, and I'm not going to bother with anything else. Next, I will do other Supercharged masterclasses on some of the keys around importing data properly. And here I'm going to very quickly. Okay, hands up who's using Podio for real estate and they don't want more leads. Nobody. You want more leads closed? Well, check out Smartphone for Podio, the only phone system fully built for Citrix Podio. With an fully integrated power dialer and our amazing mobile apps, it means wherever you are, you can make more calls, log to Podio, send more texts, log to Podio, and close more deals, all logged to your Podio CRM. Click the link. Check it out. Click Import 8 rows, and then your data is being imported. So what happens is now the system is going to queue up that data. Now there's only 8 rows or something, so it's probably going to be in fairly quickly. It may already be in. But under batch jobs, you will see now there is see, it's still queuing. So there is a new entry here. It tells me exactly when I'm doing it, that it's an import, the state it's at right now. So once it's see, it's now started the import, and then once it's completed, which should be relatively quickly, it'll update that completed. It also keeps the template that you uploaded here. Now that is, it only keeps it for a certain amount of time. There you go. I've finished exporting my rows. And if I refresh this batch jobs change, you can see now it's completed. That's CSV. I can download it again to see what I've uploaded. Are you using Podio with CallRail? There's a better way. Click the link to find out why hundreds of businesses have moved over to using smartphone, the only phone system built for Podio. Make more calls, send more texts, and close more deals. Click the link. And that is a batch job complete. And this is just a really great it's a great thing to understand in Podio. To understand how Podio queues up your, sort of bulk actions, so that for deletion or import or export, so that it doesn't hurt the overall performance of the system, and to go and see where the job that you may have queued up is it progressing? Is it almost done? Is it completed? It's just a really useful feature of Podio for you to get to know, and it's one that a lot of people just don't know about. So any comments, questions, pop down in the YouTube comments section. Do remember to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you get notified when I upload new videos. Anything you want for me to talk about, any questions, comments, things you disagree on, things you agree on, pop into the YouTube comments. Of course, pop over to the podcast platform of your choice, Apple, Google, Spotify, whatever, and make sure you subscribe to my Supercharged podcast. Give it a like, give it a review. It really does help if you share the love for the podcast and for the YouTube channel. And of course, if you're using Podio, you should use the link on these videos and on the wearegamechangers.com website to go and sign up for your free smartphone trial. If you're using Podio, really you need to be using smartphone. It is the only phone system fully built for Podio, and having your phone system fully integrated into your business system is a complete game changer. Have a great week.
Thanks for watching this Supercharged Masterclass with Jordan Samuel Fleming, CEO of Smartphone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel to be notified of new podcast episodes, Podio Masterclasses, and in-depth Podio extension reviews.